One of the best features of Hermes is that it can do work for you on a schedule, not just when you ask. These are called scheduled jobs or cron jobs. The agent runs the job at the time you pick, even if you're asleep, even if your laptop's off, and sends you the result on Telegram. You don't need to write any code or schedule syntax. You just tell the agent in plain language what you want and when you want it. Let's automate the research flow we just set up. In Telegram, we can say something like, every Monday at 9 a.m., run my competitor watch skill on 3 search terms: email marketing tutorial for beginners, WordPress tutorial for beginners, and SEO tutorial for beginners. Send me a summary on Telegram with the gaps that stood out. Now, of course, modify the research task or the scheduled task to be whatever it is you want done on a schedule. This is just my particular use case. The agent confirms the schedule and tells you when the job will run next. It may ask you to confirm your time zone. You can answer with yours. For example, I can say, let's use US Central Time. And we see that it was updated to run every Monday at 9 a.m. Central. The time zone's been saved, so other future jobs will default to it. To see all your scheduled jobs, you can simply ask. You can say something like, show me my scheduled jobs. And the agent will list them with their run time. Right now, it's just this Monday morning competitor watch. Now, if you want to see a sample of what that full output looks like, you can also ask the bot to run a job anytime. So we could say something like, run that full job now, and it kicks off the cron job. This is a great way to review the output of the job to make sure you're getting everything in the right format and the way you want it presented. If it doesn't come back the way you want, you can simply tell the bot and it'll make the adjustments for the next time.